your baby boy would someday walk on water. Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters? So for that part, it's going to be going Mary, A minor, G boy would D minor to an E. Mary, did you A minor that your G boy would D minor to E. Now it's gonna go to D minor. Did you know to G that your baby boy C has come to make you A minor? That this child, D minor, delivered to the E, will soon deliver you. And that's most of it. So the verses will repeat like that. Mary, did you know that your G would D minor to E? Mary, did you A minor to G, D minor to E, D minor to G, boy, and C where A minor and the D minor you hold it, then go to the E. Mary, did you know? Now the bridge. The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Mary, did you know? So that bridge is going to start on the F. The blind will see to the G, the deaf will hear to the C, the dead will live again to A minor. And then it repeats that. So F, G, C, A minor. No, don't tell him that. She's over here telling my dog to sick the cat. And that's it, guys. Do 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 do.